So recently I've been wondering how the teenagers of today get so much cash. I mean, these kids basically make enough cash to take themselves out to luxurious places without working for anyone but themselves. Well, I'm happy to tell you that I've figured out a bunch of ways that can make you huge amounts of money without working a 9 to 5. And today, I'm going to be sharing with you the top 5 money-making strategies used by teenagers in 2024. Stick around for more. So we have StormGain, which is a crypto trading platform whereas you do not have to deposit your own money to get started. Sounds convincing, right? So with StormGain, all you have to do is to visit Google Play or App Store and download the app. As soon as you've installed the app, open it and sign up with your real details so you won't have any problem when it's time to withdraw. And make sure you remember your login details. Best way is to write them down somewhere. Now let's get to how you can make money from StormGain. Once you have it opened on your homepage, you'll see a huge round button. What happens when you click the button is that StormGain will start to mine Bitcoin for you using your internet connection, and how much you make varies. All you have to do is to click the button every 4 hours. Setting a reminder might make it easier for you. From there on, as soon as you reach $10, you can simply go to the trading section and invest your $10 in one of the crypto pairs. I bet some of you don't know anything about crypto trading. Well, here's the fun part. In the trading menu, there's a sub-menu called Signals from AI. Once you click on it, you'll see different types of signals for different pairs. From here, you can see the percentage of the profits you can make and how much risk is associated with that trade. Choose one that's best for you, invest, and simply watch your money grow in front of your eyes. When you are happy with your profits, you can easily withdraw it into your bank account. Now the second one might get you thinking like, service. But trust me, this is not any type of survey company. User testing simply allows you to give reviews on sites, products, and advertisements by using your camera, microphone, or even digitally. Now what makes me trust it the most is that as soon as you sign up for user testing, you basically get an interview from them, whereas they ask you questions and tell you what to refer to. And you'll have to respond to each and every question using your voice. And trust me, it's not easy to make it in. But here's a strategy. All you have to do is to simply read out every question carefully and go to your reference, and feel free to take your time because they won't rush you. Then go back to responding to the questions carefully. They'll then take 1 to 2 weeks to review your answers and let you know if you are the best candidate for the job. Now once you are in, you can treat this like your job and grab as much service as you can. You can simply make $10 to $50 per survey and withdraw it into your PayPal. How much you'll make weekly will depend on the amount of work you put on. But trust me, you can make a living out of this. A lot of you might have heard of this one, but here's a great way of getting the most out of Fiverr. Simply check for online services that people require the most, then check for companies that might be in need of those services. You can even visit them physically and tell them about the services you'd like to offer them. If it's about websites, simply show them some sites that you found online and put them on your catalog. As soon as they hire you for the job, go on Fiverr and find a web developer who can do the same job for you for a lower price, then voila, you've delivered your service. You can do this for different kinds of services such as logo designs, photo edits, and a lot more. You can simply make a living out of this. Now a lot of people talk about Blogspots, but they seem to be doing it wrong. Here's how you can make money out of Blogspots. Simply go to their website and sign up, then fill in all the information regarding your website. From here on, you can build your own website on any type of category, and a lot of people are doing it for articles. That's cool as well, but think out of the box and think of a website that will share necessary information with people, such as an how-to website. If you are good at cooking, you can simply share your ways of cooking. Simply search how to build a website using Blogspot if you don't know much about building websites. From there, build your content for a month and make sure you are active, and get people to visit your website by sharing while you are still growing your own audience. After you've successfully done this for a month, simply apply for Google AdSense. Wait for 2 weeks and watch them welcome you to their partners program. You can simply make $10 to $20 per 10,000 visits, and if you share it on all the media platforms such as TikTok, Facebook, Instagram and more, you'll reach more visits in no time and be able to make a living out of it and withdraw all of your earnings from AdSense to your bank account. Now, Google Opinion rewards may be very underrated, but if you are someone who travels a lot to different cities, provinces or countries, then this one is for you. Simply download the app on your Google Play Store or App Store on Apple, then allow it to use your location. From there on, every time there are new service for you, you'll get notifications and you can simply make from $3 to $5 per survey. It depends on how active you are. Now, Google Opinion Rewards does not have a threshold. If you are on Apple, you can simply withdraw your funds to your PayPal account. But if you are on Android, you'll have to spend it on Google Play by purchasing books, movies or games. Or you can also use it on an online store that allows Google Pay as a form of payment. If that doesn't work for you, find a friend with an iPhone, log into your account and simply withdraw into your PayPal. Make sure you use the same email as the one you use on PayPal. Now, with Google Opinion Rewards, I can't guarantee you to make a living out of it, but it can contribute as extra bucks to your pockets. These are top 5 money-making strategies used by teenagers in 2024. Go ahead and give them a try and let me know how it all works out for you. My name is Jay and this is Moment in Future, pulling you into the truth.